Hello all and welcome to this AWS tutorial. In our tutorial today, I will provide a brief overview on Amazon Inspector. Let us begin this tutorial with what is Amazon Inspector? Amazon Inspector is an AWS service to test the network accessibility of your Amazon EC2 instances and the security state of your applications that run on those instances. Now, how does it achieve it? It achieves this by performing an assessment on the target EC2 instances and checking for any vulnerabilities and potential security threats. In order for you to leverage Amazon Inspector, you need to install an agent on the target EC2 instances. So whatever EC2 instances that you want to perform this particular check or perform any network accessibility checks, etc., right? You need to install the agent on those EC2 instances. Now, what is this agent going to do? This agent will monitor the behavior of your EC2 instances, collect telemetry information around network, file system, and any kind of process activity happening on that EC2 instance. In order for you to perform this assessment, right, you need to create an assessment template. And once you create this assessment template, you need to select a rules package and add that rules package to your assessment template, depending upon the type of test or the check that you would like to perform. So for example, if you want to check for network accessibility, you select the rules package for next network accessibility, add that to your assessment template. Then every time that template is executed, right? I mean, to perform an assessment, that set of rules, part of the rule package, will be executed. Amazon Inspector can be fully automated through APIs, and this allows you to incorporate security testing as part of your overall development and design process. Now, always remember that as part of the AWS shared responsibility model, you are responsible for the security of your applications, processes, and tools that run on AWS. That means the services like Amazon Inspector can help you identify the security threats, right? Identify the security loopholes. What are the various issues that can potentially occur? It can also give you recommendations. But at the end of the day, it's you who is responsible for fixing them. Benefits of this service. I think the first benefit is quite obvious. It integrates security testing as part of your development, deployment, and production processes, right? So security is no longer an afterthought. It's part of the process. The intention is to shift left, right? And right from the development environment, you need to start looking for any kind of security threats or any kind of vulnerabilities. And of course, it helps you to identify any security issues or threats that need attention and also recommends corrective actions. So guys, do check out this particular service. It's really good. I will try to make a hands-on lab around this, right? Do post your comments if you've already leveraged this particular service as to what your experience has been. And that's it from me today, guys. I will see you shortly in some other video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.